In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Shopify products on any site. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, embedding your Shopify products on different websites can dramatically extend your reach, allowing you to showcase your inventory to potentially new audiences who might not typically visit your store. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few key steps that I'll guide you through. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is your friend, as it helps you quickly find the tools and settings you need without sifting through multiple menus. In this instance, you'll need to type Buy button into the search bar. As you type, you'll see the option for Buy button appear. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Buy button page, you'll find an option to create a new Buy button. Click on Create a Buy button, and this will take you into the setup process. This is where the magic begins, as creating a buy button allows you to link specific products or even entire collections to an embeddable widget you can place on another site. Now, during this setup, you'll be prompted to select which products or collections you want to be linked to the buy button. This choice is important, as you'll want to consider which products best represent your brand or are likely to appeal to the audience of the site you're planning to embed them on. After selecting your products or collections, it's time to design the layout and style of your buy button. This step is fun because it allows you to customize the appearance to fit seamlessly with the other site's aesthetics. You can adjust colors, button size, and even the text to ensure cohesive branding across different platforms. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel, the last step is to copy the code. This code is generated automatically through Shopify's process and is ready for you to use. Simply copy it and then paste it into the HTML of any site where you'd like your products to appear. Whether it's a blog, partner site, or another platform, embedding this code will make your Shopify products visible and shoppable. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to expand your store's reach effortlessly. By embedding your Shopify products on various sites, you not only increase visibility, but also provide a streamlined shopping experience that can lead to higher conversions. Keep exploring and experimenting with different sites, and watch how your engagement can grow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!